Greetings friends, today's question is from Nanhua School, SA1 year 2021. It's on the concept of the average concept, okay? So Catherine's average score in 4 tests is 76. She scored 70 for her first test and the same score for the remaining 3 tests. What is the score for each of the remaining 3 tests? Now, the very first thing you can do here is to find the total score. Remember, total is just average times number. Total score, which is just going to be 76 times 4. Alright, so what is 76 times 4? Total score is actually 304 marks. And take note that 304 is the total for 4 tests. So let's say this is the 4 tests, okay? And for the first test, she scored 70, right? Total for the 4 tests, 304. And all these 3 remaining tests will be equal. So what we can do is take 304, subtract away 70 first. 304 subtract 70 to find the total for the 3 tests. Okay, to find the total for the 3 tests. So what will be the total for the 3 tests? Let's see. 304 minus 70. 234. Okay, so over here will be 234. This is the total for the 3 tests, and remember all the 3 tests this person scored the same. So we can equally divide this into 3 parts. 234 divided by 3, 78 marks for each of the remaining 3 tests. Final answer for this question, 78 marks.